In this video, I am going to show you how to find the routing number on OnePay. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open your OnePay application. Once you do so, you will find yourself here. Of course, make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you don't have it, if you have an account, and if you don't, just go and create an account. So once you do so, you would like to stay at the home screen. So you'll find many tabs here or four tabs at the bottom. Make sure to stay on the home screen. Then all you need to do, just go and click on your balance. So you'll find your balance at the top. Make sure to click on that number. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself right here with the balance activity below. And at the top right, you'll find two lines with a circle on it. So all you need to do is just like the settings or something, just go and click on that icon. You'll find it's at the top right. Once you click on that, you will find yourself right here. So from here, easily you'll find this account or routing and account number. Now, if you go and click on it, you'll be able to see your routing and account number. You can copy it, you can share it with other people. And then you can use your routing number, as example, for setting up direct deposits, receiving ACH transfers, linking, as example, your OnePay account to other banks or financial apps as well. And of course, if you can't find your routing number, you may not have, sometimes it's just like a bug, just quits, as example, and come back. And sometimes you may not have a cash account or a bank account featured enabled. So if you don't have that, you'll not find the routing number, because a routing number is basically used to get receive transfers, do direct deposits, and link in, as example, your account with some banks and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you basically find your routing number in OnePay. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.